Welcome to the tutorial video on how to use Microsoft OneNote. We will be demonstrating on how to use some of the basic functions of this program to support your learning and note-taking abilities, focusing primarily on the audio recording option. A link to download OneNote can be found in the description of the video below. OneNote allows you to store all lecture notes for each course in one convenient location by separating information into notebooks, sections, and pages. This will help you to stay organized and allow you to quickly locate the lecture notes that you wish to review for any course. OneNote also automatically syncs directly to the cloud, which allows you to have access to your notes from any device. OneNote allows you to insert documents as well, so if you have a PowerPoint slide or other resource, you can add these to your notes by selecting the Insert tab at the top left corner, then click File Printout. With inserted documents, you're able to perform a variety of edits and tasks, such as highlighting, bolding, underlining, and the use of artistic tools such as markers, pens, and shapes that can be directly inserted onto the slide. You can also write notes along the side of the PowerPoint. You can also follow along during lecture while filling in the appropriate blanks directly over top of the slide. OneNote also allows you to audio record lectures. To begin audio recording, locate the Insert tab at the top of the OneNote banner and click Record Audio. You can pause, stop, or play the recording at any time.
90% of 18 to 29-year-olds are on social media. We spend on average 2 hours a day there. We don't even eat for 2 hours a day. 70% of the Canadian population is on social media. Our voter turnout isn't even 70%. Anything we do this often is worthy of critical observation.
An audio link will appear at the top of the OneNote file, which you will be able to play the recording that was captured for that lecture. OneNote also automatically syncs the recording to the text that corresponds to each other during lecture. To do this, place your mouse directly over the text you would like to listen to the audio recording and press the play button that will appear. You will now be able to click this play button to listen to the audio that corresponds with that text.
And numerous studies from the US, Canada, the UK, you name it, have linked this high social media use with these high levels of anxiety and depression.
For more information on how to use OneNote, additional instructional videos are provided in the description below, or you can visit our drop-in center here at Accessibility Services.